From the sole of the foot to the crown of the head, wounds and bruises bleeding red.
No soundness found, only pain inside.
A nation broken, yet you still call. Come and reason